Hey everybody, I wanted to share a little side project I've got going right now. I'm bashing together a Foamy Albatros D.Va at 1/4 scale, and I wanted to show you the wing panels that I've got cut out so far. It's about an 88-inch wingspan here, real thin undercambered wing. But one of the things I was worried about was all the time and effort to set up at the field, so I wanted to keep the wing attachment really simple. So I printed these little devices. I'll make them available on my Thingiverse page at some point, but they're real simple. So you basically have a hole here for a 1/4 inch dowel and a hole on this side for a 10mm magnet, and then plenty of area for glue to bite to when you inset them into your foam. And these work in pairs. Essentially, you'll have a male side here with the dowel sticking out, and you can see the magnets. This is a secondary version that actually has a little pocket here that allows for servo wiring to pass through. And you can see the female side on this side. I'm still using carbon fiber tube with sleeves embedded into the foam. And if I can do this carefully here, once these align, they snap together quite nicely. Don't think you could hear the snap over my voice, but they really hold on. And if I put my elbow on this and I pull here, I can pull them apart, but they're holding on there really tight, and I don't think they would have any problem holding that wing on in flight. I do have a little bit of extra insurance though, because I will have the inner wing struts out here, and then the flying wires will pass all the way to the fuselage. So those flying wires will just give me a little bit of confidence that my wing won't fly off. But it's an Albatros D.Va. It's a World War I fighter plane. It's not going to be that fast. So it should be more than enough, and it will make those wings super easy to install at the field. So that's it for now. Hopefully we'll have some more updates before too long.